Doctors refuse to pursue their career in rural sectors. Hence, it is affecting innocent lives in deprived sectors in North Karnataka.
भाई हमारा बेटी तो डिलीवर है इधर कोई भी डॉक्टर नहीं रहता।
डॉक्टर रहते नहीं है।
नहीं रहता, सिस्टर लोग रहता, एक एक टाइम रहता, एक एक टाइम नहीं। वो पहला डॉक्टर था टाइम टू टाइम ड्यूटी अटेंड करता था वो। ये लोग हमको पहचानता नहीं वो।
Shahpur Taluka has only one general hospital and another nearest hospital is situated in Gulbarga district, which is 70 km away from Shahpur Taluk.
आप यहाँ पे ऑपरेशन के लिए कब आए थे?
अभी 1 महीने के बाद आया।
ऑपरेशन के लिए आए कब थे?
हाँ, वो जो उसी दिन 1 महीने के बाद आया था।
तो पिछले महीने आए थे ऑपरेशन के लिए?
नहीं, इधर 1 महीने के बाद आया था ना।
हाँ।
इधर नहीं किया।
क्यों नहीं किया?
20 दिन के बाद 12 दिन इधर रखा था। 12 दिन इधर देखा, ग्लूकोज रखा। ऐसा 12 दिन के बाद क्या बोला, इधर नहीं जमता, गुलबर्गा जा बोल के इधर लिख के दिया था। गुलबर्गा जाके 15 दिनों 20 दिनों उधर, 20 दिन फिर 20 दिन उधर।
तो इधर 12 दिन रख के क्या किया था?
क्या कुछ नहीं किया, खाली ग्लूकोज रखा और थोड़ा थोड़ा देखा, कुछ नहीं हुआ इधर। उधर जाके का वो ऑपरेशन किया।
क्या
मुश्किल था वो। उधर गुलबर्गा जाके भी 4 दिन के बाद कुछ बोलना नहीं आता था, कुछ नहीं आता था। ये सब लोग मर गया बोल के रोते बैठा था, मेरा माँ मेरा बहन लोग। फिर अच्छा हुआ।
Shahpur in total consists of 36 panchayat villages. The taluka in a whole faces sanitation problems due to lack of toilets. Yadgir district has total 3 hospitals and one of the major hospitals is General Hospital in Shahpur Taluka. Supposedly, General Hospital does not contain all required facilities along with availability of doctors.
हम यही पहली बार है हॉस्पिटल। They love coming in camera, right? You know that?
Total 6 doctors are working.
And how many patients visit today?
Around 250 to 300 per day. OPD. Some of the patients needing higher, more facilities now. They will be first aid will be given. Minimum basic treatment will be given. Later on, they will be referred to higher centers.
Where is that?
Around 70 to 80 kilometers from this. Actually, workload is more only. So these 6 doctors only has to manage 24/7. Round the clock we have to see. So internal arrangement will be there. At least one doctor will be available whole night, throughout day, 24 hours. So getting doctors, appointing and at the government level, possibly there are so many problems. Even very rural area, doctors they won't come for what the facilities the government give, no? Because of minimum facilities, they won't come to rural areas because they will be getting good salary, good facilities at the city level. Like when they won't come to because of that.
People living in the villages of Taluka are underprivileged and expect to receive basic and necessary amenities. Due to lack of social and economic problems, people feel powerless. The doctors who are appointed do not report on time. People end up waiting for hours on the staircase outside waiting for assistance. These poor people who cannot afford to get a treatment done from a better hospital keep hopes from these government
I
centers,
think a lot of young people don't go
where
to
they
posting because there's no good incentive given to them and no facilities out there. But I think people have to be like, they have to take an initiative and they have to like have a forward step in going to the rural posting, because that is where the medical need is most essential, because people lack medical attention and awareness.
When if you don't get all the facilities that you want, so you won't go and work there, right?
Probably I would not stay there for a long period of time. At least I would render my services for a like certain period of time, but not in a long run.
The reason for this is that nobody is ready to join government services. Every month notices are sent with regard to vacancies available, but no doctors are willing to work specifically due to low salaries, especially when specialists are concerned.
Nowadays, the present generation, the youngsters are misled mainly by the parents and their ambition. Because the ambitious parents, they want their children to become engineers, doctors, and even to leave the country and go abroad. Not only leaving the rural area and not willing to go to rural area, but even urban area they want to stick on in this country. And some people are not satisfied even the facilities what in India which is prevailing in urban places, and they were made to go to foreign countries just to earn money. Majority of the people, they go for that purpose only. Very few people may go for pursuation of the studies, etc. Even India, it has got a wonderful, fantastic opportunities to learn more. And so the main reason here is, it is something like the children are made to become ATMs, money making machines. So by going to rural area, in rural area also people are there. For example, in a rural area, one person climbing the tree, coconut tree, to pluck the coconut, he falls down and he breaks his leg. An orthopedic surgeon is a must. Even to lift him from that place to hospital, vehicle is required. A gynecologist is highly essential even in rural areas. A lady who develops pain, labor pain, may deliver on the way itself, by the way she is brought to the hospital. And anything can happen to her health as well as the health of the child which she is going to deliver. So it's very important to make an environment which will attract children and our youngsters to rural area also in our country.
After all the efforts, still upcoming qualified students are not willing to work in a rural sector for obvious reasons. Hence, Shahpur Taluk in Yadgir district is in a substandard condition. People are still waiting for help and some development.